In 1991, the 69th Constitution Amendment Act was made and Delhi was given a legislative assembly and a democratically elected political executive, the CM and the Council of Ministers. But Delhi had limited powers. The legislature and the executive didn't have power on land, police and public order. Rest, they were like any other state. Take a look at Pondicherry. They don't have such limitation. Now you go to J&K. J&K has limitation. Land is with them, but the police and public order are with the union government. So there is asymmetry among the UTs. Now, come back to the judicial history of the powers of the assembly and the democratically elected government. In 2015, union government said that the Delhi government doesn't have, that is the democratically elected Delhi government doesn't have any power over services, that is the civil servants and the subordinate posts, recruitment of some and transfer and posting of all. That's what the Union Home Ministry ordered. That was challenged by the National Capital Territory of Delhi in the Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court said that the LG doesn't have to follow the advice of the Council of Ministers headed by the CM. That the Delhi government challenged in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court said in 2018 that Delhi is like any other state, though with limited powers, and federalism and constitutional morality demand, even democracy demand, that we respect the powers of the Delhi government, the political government. But in that verdict, though given by a 5-judge constitution bench, they didn't settle the matter about the services and a few other simple issues. For that, a 2-judge Supreme Court bench was set up. They gave a split verdict. That became a 3-judge bench, which referred the matter to the 5-judge bench. And that 5-judge bench, headed by the Honorable CJI, gave the verdict today in the NCT versus the Union Government of India, that is the Union of India. And they said that services belong entirely to the democratically elected government. Police doesn't, because police is outside the purview of the powers of the political government of Delhi. IAS officers, other central officers, and those recruited by the Delhi government itself, all of them are within the jurisdiction of the Delhi government, that is the politically elected government, as far as the transfers, postings and some recruitments are concerned. That is how 8 years of judicial history comes to a halt. As and when future developments happen, we'll be there to talk about it.